Hello friends! Alright, so I'm in the kitchen. We're going to be making several things. But first up is the Korean mayak eggs. So these are soy sauce marinated eggs. And I just want to say this again and again and again. This is a Korean recipe. This is enjoyed by and created by the Korean culture. So just throwing that out there. Do I love Courtney Cook? Y'all know. That's my girl. That's my bestie. But credit where it's due. This is a Korean recipe. So now that we got that out of the way, I looked at a bunch of different recipes, honestly, and I'm just going to kind of take from several different ones and then also what we have in the kitchen. So starting with this, I already hard-boiled the eggs. Full disclosure, I do not like hard-boiled eggs, so this is actually going to be for my hubby and the kids. So again, this is soy sauce marinated eggs. So we're going to go in first with some, this is low sodium soy sauce because I'm like, dude, can you see this? Yes. I'm like, cut that sodium where you can. So we got some of that. I don't know if this could be enough because you need the soy sauce. We're also going to add water. Now I've seen a bunch of different ways to do this, but I'm going to go in with this. I'm going to go in with some sugar to counterbalance that salt. I am also going to go in with some, Lord, a little bit of sriracha. Again, do what you do for who you are making this for. My hubby, he can't handle the spice. Again, I told you, he thinks ketchup is spicy. Although last night we went to Pho and they had a spicy sauce on the table, and surprisingly he got into it because he was like, this is like red rooster level spice. He can handle that. So this is some hoisin sauce just for a little bit of depth of flavor. There's a ton of things. You could add like ponzu, you could add gochujang, you could add, there's a ton of different ways you could do this. Again, this is just like basic. Gonna add in some sesame seeds. I don't have any actual sesame seeds, so I'm gonna add in some sesame oil. Did I say sesame seeds? Sesame oil. But I don't have any sesame seeds. A little bit of that. Now, a little bit of this goes a long way, so, although I like it. I like a little sesame. I love, also, the paste, like sesame paste. Oh my gosh, with Mediterranean food. Look at my little whisk. So cute. Listen, gotta have the right tool for the right job. So again, this is not going to be for me. I am not a hard-boiled egg person. The only way I like my eggs is scrambled hard with cheese. I grew up in the South. That's it. I don't want no runny, dippy, lipid, no. Easter, I may hunt them, but that's about it. I'm not eating them. Oh, you know what? I do want to add a little, just a little bit of vinegar in here, just to give it a little bite, just a little. Again, you do you. I'm not stressing. We're not stressing. You just do what works for you. Now, like I said, I have my hard-boiled eggs that I have already, let me not give myself a little egg bath. Perfect. And now you shake it. God, I'm a nerd. So these need to sit in your refrigerator for at least 8 hours. So I'm gonna come back. Again, these are for my hubby, and I'm gonna have him taste test them for you. So thank you guys so much for being in the kitchen with me. We are doing another recipe right after this. And yeah, besties, love these FaceTimes, and hopefully you're having a good Friday. Come right back. See you in a minute.